Hello everyone! In this video I want to show you how to use the new createFileHandler method to retrieve a file handler instance using the new APIs introduced in Java 18. The new JEP 408 APIs has been introduced in Java 18. So the first things that I need to do is to check that I've installed Java 18 on my system. I'm going to open the terminal. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to type java --version. Yes, I have installed OpenJDK 18.0.2. I'm ready. Now I'm going to create a new folder for my project. mkdir. I'm going to call it JEP 408. And then I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. Perfect. Inside this project, I'm going to create a new Java class called CustomWebServer.java. I'm going to define the class, so class CustomWebServer, and of course I'm going to put the main method. I want to use the new method createFileHandler, and because of that I need to import the right package. So I need to import the package com.sun.net.http server.SimpleFileServer. And now inside the main method I can type var handler equal SimpleFileServer dot createFileHandler. The createFileHandler returns a file handler that serves a given root directory that can be added to a new or existing server. So I'm going to define the root directory, path root directory equal path.of, and then I'm going to put an empty value. Let me open the terminal to see in which directory I am. I'm going to copy the current directory. I'm going to paste it here. Perfect. I have the handler. Now I need to initialize the server with my handler. Because of that, I need to import another package. So I'm gonna type import com.sun.net.http server.http server. And then after my handler, I'm going to initialize my server. http server dot create, and the create must have 4 parameters: the address, the socket backlog, I'm going to put 10, the path, so I'm going to put like /my path, and of course the handler. I'm going to put the handler that I created. Now I need to define the address, inet socket address equal inet socket address, and I'm going to put just the port 8080. Perfect. Of course the http server.create will throw an exception. So in this case I'm going not to surround it with try catch, but I'm going to throw, because it will throw input-output exception. And then I'm going to type server.start. Perfect. Now click on run. And as we can see, the server is up and running, and I'm going to test it. So I'm going to open the browser. I'm gonna type http://localhost 8080, and I'm going to receive a 404 not found. Yes, because I need to put /my path. Yes, now the server is serving the current directory, and the current directory is the same directory in which I have the CustomWebServer.java. I can even put CustomWebServer.java, and I can see the content of the CustomWebServer class. Now, without stopping the server, in the same folder, I'm going to create an index.html file where I'm going to put just a few tags and just a one h1 with the message hello web server. I'm going back inside the browser. Yeah, I'm going to test it. Yes, as you can see, my server with the handler related to the directory in which I have the index.html file is showing me index.html as default. In the following video, I'm going to show you how to use the other APIs introduced in JEP 408. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye.